Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can win the baggy theme round easily in Dress to Impress. So through this video, I'm going to break down the best DTI outfits inspo for a perfect trendy baggy look. So let's just get started. Now first, for the hair, I'm using this updo hair combined with the bangs from this wavy hair and also this braid hair and the bangs, and all in brown color, this brown color. Now let's just move on to create the outfit. First, you can put on this oversized shirt on the women's section and change the color using this leopard patterns. Then combine it with this top, and I'm going to change the color into this brown color. Then you can go in here and put on these glasses in black. For the shoe, I'm going to wear the sneakers and change the color to this brown color combined with black. Like this, and let me put on this belt in here in a brown color. Now let's put on some more accessory. So for the pants, I'm going to use this white pants in here, change the color into brown, and I'm going to use this headphones right here, the same brown color, and then this hat, and use the leopard pattern for the hat. And I'm going to use on some accessory like this necklace in here to bleed into old and change the color to black. These earrings in black color, also these big earrings, just leave the color as it is. And I'm going to also put on this necklace right here. Now you can just go to the dressing room, and I'm going to put on the eyelashes. And then let's go to the currency tab, put on this ones right here. And I'm going to change the color to brown. You can also put on this belt right here. Now go in the code items, put on this skirt, remove the ribbons, and change the color using the leopard patterns. Now that will be it. This is the final look for Baggy theme in DTI. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next tutorial.